To set up face recognition on the Samsung Galaxy A57, start by opening the system settings. Right now you will have to go below into the lock screen and AOD settings, go for screen lock and biometrics, input your current screen lock, and here just go for a face recognition. So for me, let's say I'm gonna just delete this one, and now I'm gonna register face one more time, click continue. And now, as you can see, you have to just look straight into your selfie camera, click on the register, take a look on the selfie camera, and now you have to also read all of this description. So we have to move our head upwards, then downwards. And now the scan is finished, we just hit the 100%. And additionally, you can also turn off that option to stay on the lock screen until swipe. But sometimes if it's not working, you can even add the alternative appearance to enhance recognition.